What's going on, y'all? I wanted to do a quick showcase of the Gameboy Advance SP I modded this weekend. This was definitely an interesting project and worth doing for those that are looking to revitalize your old handhelds. Right off the bat, the most noticeable features are the 3.0 IPS LCD upgrade and the sound amplifier with the DHIS PCB. The DHIS PCB reduces the ambient noise you hear when the game goes quiet, giving a better sound quality to your gameplay. The screen comes with a touchpad behind the glass on the bottom right that allows you to adjust the brightness levels beyond what the original LCD is capable of. What you're looking at now is its brightest setting. On the back, the original charging port has been replaced with a USB-C charging port, allowing for a more universal option for power. This to me was by far one of the best mods available, since I don't like to carry a bunch of chargers for my devices. On the back of the LCD casing, I installed a Bluetooth transmitter to allow wireless audio functions. With some soldering, I set the sync function to my brightness button since it wasn't being used. Here's an example of what it sounds like when it's paired. If I had to rate this project on a scale of 1 to 5, it'd be a 3. The LCD screen, speaker upgrade, shell and button swap require no soldering skills at all, and even with the soldering you need for the rest, it can be managed by a beginner with the right tools and focus. If you want to see the process, you can catch the next mod I do on Twitch when we do Tech Tuesdays every other week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.
Let me know if it's a problem then. Alright, man, holla then.